Hello children, we have been discussing naming words these days. Naming words means nouns, and how would we define noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, thing or an idea. Then we discussed its types. There are 5 types: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. And yesterday we discussed these 2 nouns. Today we are going to discuss collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. We will take up these one by one. So children, we will start today with collective noun. This is our third type of noun. Okay, tell me, what does this word collective suggest you? Collective, collect, collection. Has something clicked your mind? Yes, children. Collection means a group of things, and collective noun denotes collection of things as a whole, or in other words, you can say a group. Sometimes we talk about a unit consisting of 2 or more things. It is called collective noun. Let us learn this through some examples. First word I have written here, family. What does a family consist of? A family consists of 2 or more members. There are father, mother, children, sometimes grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins, and they all, be it 4 members, be it 10 members, that is considered one unit, and that is family. So family is a collective noun. My next word is team. When you hear this word team, what comes to your mind? Team of players. And single player cannot make a team. 2 or more players, when play together, they make a team. My next word is choir. Every day in the morning assembly, a choir group stands in front of you on the stage. Choir means 2 or more singers singing together. So choir is a collective noun. My next word, gang. Gang of thieves or robbers. There are many thieves and many robbers. My next word, next example is army. Army can be of soldiers or group of ants. When ants move in a group, they are also called army of ants. And next is class. A class consists of many students. Say there are maybe 40 students, 50 students all together sitting in one room, and they all make a class. So class means many students, they make a class. So all these words are collective noun. I think this concept is clear to you now. Our next type is abstract noun. This is our 4th type. The word abstract. Abstract means which is not present physically, which you cannot see with your eyes. Or you can say it is an idea or a concept or a quality. The opposite of this word is concrete. Concrete means the things which you can touch, see or feel, or you can smell, that is concrete. And abstract means which is not physically present, but it can be felt. Let us see. Abstract things cannot be seen, smelled, heard, touched or tasted with our sense organs. We have 5 sense organs, but abstract nouns cannot be seen, smelt, heard, touched, or tasted. So the words which denotes this kind of thing, they are known as abstract noun. For example, care. Can you touch care? Or can you see the care? Or any of these things you can do with care? No. Only we can realize, we can feel that somebody cares for you. So care is an abstract noun. Tension. Tension has no physical body. It is there something in our mind. So it can be felt only, but it cannot be seen. Freedom. Freedom again is an abstract noun. Love and pain, which these things are only felt, realized, but physically you cannot see or touch or anything with your sense organs about these things. These are called abstract nouns. Our next type is material noun. This is our fifth type, material noun. What do you understand by this word, material? Material means substance. There are certain things in the world. There are certain words that indicates a material or some substance. Name that refers to material or substance are known as material noun. Can you guess some words? Yes. Let us see the examples. Silver, gold, sand, cotton, plastic, wood. These are all substances available around us, and these words are known as material noun. So children, I hope you have understood nouns. Now, I will send you some assignments on the same topic, and finally a test of noun will be conducted. So be prepared for that. Goodbye for now.